What is Python? Python is a general purpose, dynamic, high level and interpreted programming language. It supports object oriented programming approach to develop applications. It is simple and easy to learn and provides lots of high level data structures. Python is easy to learn yet powerful and versatile scripting language, which make it attractive for applications development. Python's syntax and dynamic typing with its interpreter nature make it an ideal language for scripting and rapid application development. Python supports multiple programming patterns, including object-oriented, imperative, and functional or procedural programming style. Python is not intended to work in a particular area, such as web programming. That is why it is known as multi-purpose programming language, because it can be used with web, enterprise, 3D, CAD, etc. We are not need to use data type to declare variable because it is dynamically typed, so we can write a equal to 10 to assign an integer value in an integer variable. Python makes the development and debugging fast because there is no completion step included in Python development, and edit, test, debug cycle is very fast. Why to learn Python? Python is a high-level interpreted, interactive, and object-oriented scripting language. Python is designed to be highly readable. It uses English keywords frequently, whereas other languages use functions, and it has fewer syntactical constructions than other languages. Python is a must for students and working professionals to become a great software engineer, especially when they are working in web development domain. It will list down some of the key advantages of learning Python. Python is interpreted. Python is processed at runtime by the interpreter. You do not need to compile your program before executing it. This is similar to PRL and PHP. Python is interactive. You can actually sit at a Python prompt and interact with the interpreter directly to write your programs. Python is object-oriented. Python supports object-oriented style or technique of programming that encapsulate code within object. Python is a beginner's language. Python is a great language for the beginner level programmers and support the development of a wide range of applications from simple text processing to www browser to games. Application of Python. Python is one of the most widely used languages over the web. I am going to list a few of them here. Easy to learn. Python has few keywords, simple structure, and a clearly defined syntax. This allows the student to pick up the language quickly. Easy to read. Python code is more clearly defined and visual to the eyes. Easy to maintain. Python source code is fairly easy to maintain. A broad standard library. Python's bulk of the library is very portable and cross-platform, compatible on Unix, Windows, and Macintosh. Interactive mode. Python has support for an interactive mode which allows interactive testing and debugging of snippets of code. Portable. Python can run on a wide variety of hardware applications and has the same interface on all platforms. Extendable. You can add low-level modules to the Python interpreter. These modules enable programs to add to or customize their tools to be more efficient. Geoprogramming. Python supports applications that can be created and protect to many system calls, libraries, and Windows syntax such as Windows, Mac, Macintosh, and the X Windows system of Unix is capable. Python provides a better structure and support for large programs than shell scripting.